Hello friends, welcome to Everything Recordable, and this is the Philips BT50 Bluetooth speaker. Today we'll be doing a review of this one. I'm using it for about 3 months and I'm pretty much happy with this one. The closest competitor to this one is probably the JBL Go, but it's still pricey. And if you can't extend the price, this is a must buy. So let's do a review of this one. Build wise, it's a very nice and sturdy earphone, and as you can see, it's very small, compact. It's eye-catchy and surely a head turner. There's the speaker, LED light, a 3-way switch, a pairing button, a USB cord. There's a standard USB port. You can charge it with any mobile charger. A 3.5 aux in. The rubber padding to hold it down. This small hole is the reset key. So, what I think about this one? It's a very nice, sounds good at this price. Actually, very nice. Don't expect very awesome bass or awesome treble, but what it delivers is quite good. It's loud enough. It has a 2-watt speaker. So, like everything and every technical thing, and not even technical, everything has a pros and cons, and this one also. So, let's show you. This light has a this LED light. There's a white and blue light. In the middle, if you're in aux mode, and in aux mode it will glow in white. In pairing mode, in Bluetooth mode, it's blue, and when you press the button of this pairing for about 3 seconds, it's in pairing mode and it's blinking quite fast. Let's connect it to my Android tablet. The connection is quite fast. It's already paired. As you can see, it will connect very fast. See. So let's play a song. The speaker is about 1 feet away from my mic, and this is the sound at 50%.
Winter season's gotta be my favorite all around. I can't wait to see the snow drop to the ground. Cause even though I know you hate when it gets cold, I keep you warm. Every night I get to keep you warm. You wake up in the morning, slick downstairs like I don't hear it. You crawl up out the bed like a child, shaking all the presents. Trying to guess what I got you this year, but you never guess it right. Cause every year around this time I hear you say, baby, oh my God, I love it. Oh, you got me what I want. Then you go, you don't ever ask for nothing, so I got you a little something. So when I pull you close to me, tell you that I love you. When I made no Christmas list, you're that I wanted. Then you cry and say good tear that'll never hit the ground. Cause I catch it every year, baby, I can't see it now.
Talking about the sound, the bass is reasonable. You won't find any beats that good, or it's not so boomy, and you shouldn't expect that. It's a single channel Bluetooth speaker, and it's quite good as it for price. The trebles, it won't go very high, but it's quite good. I'll be doing a extensive audio test of this one, So remember to subscribe my channel. I'll be uploading it very soon with lots of genres. Talking about other things, this matte finished speaker has a nice Bluetooth range. About it's a very nice if it's in open space, but if you're in your room, it can easily connect to one wall away. So it's very nice, actually very great for its price. And even at the loudest volume it won't distort. That's a very nice thing. Thanks to the anti-clipping function given by Philips, it really works a lot. So what are the other things? You can carry it to anywhere. Charging time is about 1 hour to 1.5, and charging time is about 1.5 hour in between of that, and it lasts about 5 hours, and it really depends on how loud you're playing. It looks cool, it's built very nice. And now let's go to the cons. Cons, definitely the cons are the lack of some other controls like the volume keys. It would have been a very nice addition, considering this is a wireless and you can go away without taking your phones with yourself. So Philips, you did it wrong. Anyway, still not a great deal breaker. There's no mic, so you cannot take in any calls, and pretty much that. It's very lightweight, it's very compact, and you can choose lots of colors, and all the colors are really funky and cool. So this is what you get. Remember to subscribe my channel if you really want to check out the audio review of this one. I'll upload it very soon, and it will also have lots of genres like metal, blues, rocks. Be sure to check those out. Thank you. This is everything recordable.